Right, it's finally arrived. So here we go with the iPhone Sage in 17, of course. So finally we are opening it. While we are opening this, I will actually show this one as well. This is actually one part that I want to show. It will be a great charger for this case here. And also, this is a product I really liked from Temu that I would like to show you guys, especially with this additional piece that I got from Temu as well. It's a very good connection, as you can see from here. That this will be a very good touching piece with this. I definitely like that. I wanted to show you as an additional piece here. So with that being said, let's have a quick opening session and then we can just start showing how to even apply that. But also, I have this one I got. So this is like easy apply. Basically, you just put the device in it, put it in stock. Here we go. Let's go this way. Wow, definitely nice with these all green stuff that I have. So I'm liking it, as you see, right? It's pretty good. This is an example that I had the mint color. They're really matching. Like I like it. Even I had this one in mint color too. Look, it's not too dark actually. I thought it will be darker, but it's really like mint taste that I like because I thought it would be a bit more saturated like this. But no, it's exactly how I wanted, especially with this style. It works perfectly. As you see, like even my yeah, accessories here, definitely my style here. Right, so you let's give it a try, this one as well. Here we go. I'll see if this one to you. Looks pretty good, isn't it?